Jai Hind. Today I am going to conduct your adaptability test 1 SRT. Right?
Yes, sir.
आपका PFT टेस्ट होने के बाद आपका SRT टेस्ट कंडक्ट होगा। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको SRT के बारे में थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन करूंगा। SRT जो आपका होता है सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट, इसमें आपको टोटल 45 SRTs होंगी, जिसमें 40 SRTs और 5 रीजनिंग क्वेश्चंस होंगे। ठीक है, और जो आपको टाइम दिया जाएगा इसमें वो होगा आपका 30 मिनट्स का। तो 30 मिनट्स में आपको 45 क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। और आपको पता है SRT में आपको एक भी क्वेश्चन लीव नहीं करना है, कंप्लीट पूरे क्वेश्चंस आप करेंगे। और SRT में मेन जो आपको याद ध्यान में देने वाली बात है वो है, जब आप कोई भी सिचुएशन पढ़ते हैं उसके अंदर अपने आप को एज्यूम करिए कि आप उस सिचुएशन में हैं। ठीक है, फिर आप उसको अच्छे से रीड आउट करिए, उसके वर्ड्स पे बहुत अच्छे से फोकस करिए, देन आप प्लान करिए कि आपको कौन सा आंसर चूज करना है। ठीक है, उसमें आपको ऑप्शंस होंगे, जो बेस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शंस है उसको आपको टिक करना है। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
ओके फाइन। Okay, time start now.
Okay gentlemen, so now you will have to give the second test of your adaptability phase 2. एयर फोर्स के फेज 2 में जो सेकंड टेस्ट आपका होता है आफ्टर PFT, आफ्टर एडाप्टेबिलिटी टेस्ट 1, जो तीसरा टेस्ट आपका होता है रिलेस एडाप्टेबिलिटी टेस्ट 2, जिसमें आपकी एक GD कंडक्ट कराई जाएगी। द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द सेम इज, आपको एक शीट ऑफ पेपर प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा जिसमें किसी टॉपिक के बारे में एक इन्फॉर्मेशन लिखी होगी, कुछ लाइन्स। उसको पढ़ने के लिए आपको 5 मिनट का समय मिलेगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट 5 मिनट्स द शीट विल बी टेकन बैक फ्रॉम यू। 5 मिनट्स ओवर होने के बाद वो शीट आपसे वापस ले ली जाएगी, एंड देन वन बाय वन यू विल हैव टू गिव योर इंट्रोडक्शन एंड नरेशन इन 1 मिनट। उसके बाद आपको एक एक करके 1 मिनट में अपने इंट्रोडक्शन देना है और नरेशन करना है ऑफ द टॉपिक गिवन टू यू। जैसे ही लास्ट वाले का इंट्रोडक्शन नरेशन खत्म होगा, आई विल आस्क यू टू स्टार्ट योर ग्रुप डिस्कशन, एंड आफ्टर दैट अप्रॉक्सीमेट 5 मिनट्स ऑफ टाइम विल बी गिवन टू यू, in which you have to discuss among yourself about the pros and cons of this topic or whatever your opinion is about it. उस ग्रुप डिस्कशन में सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको अपना ओपिनियन रखना है, जो भी आपके थॉट प्रोसेस है इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड वो सारी चीज़ें आपको बतानी है। रिमेंबर, इट इज़ अ डिस्कशन नॉट अ डिबेट, सो रिस्पेक्ट अदर्स ओपिनियन, डू नॉट शाउट, डू नॉट यूज अननेसेसरी हैंड जेस्चर्स। सिर्फ और सिर्फ पोलाइटली आपको प्रॉपर फॉर्मल GD पोस्चर को मेंटेन करते हुए ग्रुप डिस्कशन को करना है। Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Take one sheet and distribute the others. Okay, 5 minutes to read the paper starts now. Stop reading. Give your sheets back. I hope you all have utilized these 5 minutes not only just to read the paper but to analyze it as well. इस 5 मिनट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको उसको पढ़ना नहीं होता, बल्कि उसके बारे में पूरी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग ऑफ आइडियाज़ भी कर लेनी होती है। सो आई होप यू हैव यूटिलाइज द टाइम रियली वेल। नाउ एज आई टोल्ड यू, अब एक एक करके आप लोगों को 1 मिनट का समय दिया जाएगा सबको। In that 1 minute you have to give your brief introduction and you have to narrate about the topic given to you. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
After 1 minute is over, I will say next, and as soon as I say next, the next candidate will start speaking, and the candidate who is speaking right now will stop speaking.
Jai Hind, my friends. My name is Ashish Kumar Singh from Bhojpur, Bihar, which is the birthplace of Maharaj Veer Kaur Singh, who led the first revolt of 1857 with a great courage. I have completed my class 12th in 2020 and currently pursuing BSc from Veer Kaur University. My hobby is to play cricket and I want to join the Air Force to lead a disciplined and actionful life. Now coming to the topic, our topic is GST, which stands for Goods and Service Tax. It is a national level tax levied by our central government. Our current government has issued this tax for a national level to maintain a national level tax. It consists it reduces multi taxation from the country.
Hello friends, my name is Jaswani Yadav from Deolia, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for Char Malok ki Rajdhani. I have completed my 12th in 2019. Now I am pursuing my graduation from State Board University, BA Second year. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is an adventurous and always attract me since my childhood dream. That's all about me. Now our today's GD topic. Our today's GD topic is GST. GST is launched by Government of India in 2016. As we know that GST is a type of scheme to improve the economic sector of our country. As we know that due to GST in India, many people use malpractice. So GST is only a way to remove corruption from our country. As we know that GST play a tremendous role to improve the economic growth of our country.
A very good evening to all of you present here. I am Rahul Nishad. I am from Uttar Pradesh at Prayagraj. Currently, I am pursuing graduation Bachelor of Art. I have done my class 12th in 2019 from UP Board. My hobby is to play cricket and my aim is to become an airman because the duty, discipline of Indian Air Force always attract me to join this job. And also I want to serve the nation with pride. Today I am going to narrate the topic and the topic is Goods and Service Tax. Friends, as we know that July 2016, according to Act 101, it's implemented. So by the GST, it's reduced corruption and as well as it's equate the goods rupees. Like earlier we have
Hello and Jai Hind friends, my name is Aditya Pandey. I am from Sultanpur, which is famous for Victoria Manjal. I have done my 12th in 2018 and now I am pursuing graduation from Awadh University. My hobbies are singing and playing cricket and I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a very respectful job in our society and duty, dress and discipline always attract me towards it. And now I am here to give my opinion on the topic. The topic is GST. In my opinion, GST is one of the initial steps taken by Government of India to reduce all other taxes like VAT, value added taxes, service taxes and excise duty. And it is a very good initiation of Government of India to reduce corruption and black money from our country, which is a very big problem of our country. And before the implementation of GST, there are so many taxes for only one goods in every states. So after implementation of GST, there are only one tax for in every states.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Shivam Dubey. I am from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for Atala Masjid. And I completed my 12th in 2019 and recently I am pursuing graduation from Veer Bahadur Singh Purvanchal University. And my hobby is singing and I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my childhood dream. And I would like to put my opinion on the given topic, that is GST. And I think GST is the good step taken by the present government. It eliminates all multiple layer of taxation. And I think it is right. In earlier time, the tax on single goods were different. So after coming of GST, it has solved all problems. And in earlier time, people were not aware that how much they are paying on single goods tax. But after coming GST, they are aware of the GST that how much they are paying on single goods.
Jai Hind friend, my name is Anand Kumar Shukla. I live at Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for Kumbh Mela. Currently, I am pursuing BA from State University. I have done my 12th. I am innovative and energetic. My hobby is to play indoor and outdoor games, and I am also interested to visit historical places. My dream is to join Indian Air Force. It has been my dream for a very long time to serve the nation with pride and financially support my family. Let's about the topic. Today our GD topic is what is GST and its advantages. GST means Goods and Service Tax. It is implemented by the Union Government under the leading of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on the 1st July 2017. It is the value added tax and the consumption based tax. The main objective of implementation of this tax to remove the corruption.
Jai Hind friends, I am Amit Yadav and I am from Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh. Gazipur is famous for the birthplace of Bir Abdul Hamid, who was awarded the Paramveer Chakra. I completed my 12th in 2019. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket match and painting. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a glorious service for me. It has no corruption. I want to improve the economic condition of my family. The topic is given to us for discussion is the goods and service tax. Goods and service tax is a unified great tax in our country came into existence, and there are many taxes like VAT and CST are removed in our country. So it is a good step taken by the government of India. It's implemented in 2016. So our country are also corruption is increasing day by day, but GST came into existence, corruption is reduced in our country.
Hello friends, my name is Mithilesh Verma. I come from Balia, Uttar Pradesh. Balia is famous for the first independent city in our country. I am pursuing BA from Town Degree College. My hobby is to playing football. My dream is to join Indian Air Force because it is respectful and advances life in our society. Friends, today's topic is GST. Friends, firstly we know that father of GST is the country of France. After that, many countries come the GST in our country, and our India country 2060 coming GST. We know that GST had many taxes we implemented like VAT, CST. Also friends, we know that GST taken by 0%, 28%, 18% and 13%. Which have the taxes are more than a toxic product, luxury cars are highest GST, and we have know that our petroleum and electricity have there is no taxes.
Hello, my name is Ashutosh Singh. I came from Muzaffarpur, Bihar, which is famous for lychee. I am currently pursuing graduation from art stream from Bihar University. My hobbies are reading novels and learn about the geopolitical issue. My aim is to be join an airman because it creates in me patriotism, defending our nation with the foreign forces and the sense of duty. Now I would like to come on the topic which is given to us is GST. The merely GST can be defined as the goods and services tax, and it is a unified and consumption based tax that is a substitution of all the tax running in our country. That is a central tax, VAT and the CST tax and all the other retrospective tax. And it is launched by our Union government in 2016. It is a merely operates on all the taxes like the sales taxes, like on the sales, automobiles and other services.
This was the first part of your adaptability test 2. इसमें आपको एक मिनट सबको टाइम मिला to give your introduction and give a narration about the topic given to you. Now the second part consists of group discussion. In this part you have to do a group discussion. So did you enjoy the last part?
Yes, sir.
So let's hope you enjoyed this part too.
Yes.
Okay.
As we know that GST is one of the initial steps taken by government. It is one nation, one tax. And before the implementation of GST, people are unaware about the percentage of taxes. But after the implementation of GST, goods are distributing in the percentage of their qualities as 0%, 5%, 8%, 18% and 28%. And because of it, people are aware about how much they are paying for the taxes. And by this, government wants to bring transparency in the taxes.
We know that GST is coming in India. We saw that many unauthorized institutions have many taxes when GST comes. Then a large amount of payments is coming amount in our country. As country has, then we see that the government uses the money in the increasing of like healthcare centers, and many use of like our nations utilize this money.
I would say that it is the main motive to curb the corruption in our country, also the money laundering and the drug trafficking, because the GST is online.
Yes, friend, as we know that, but GST is a very progressive step taken by the government, but there are many loopholes in the system, as it is only based on knowledge and supply. IT sectors are.
So this was the complete procedure of adaptability test 2. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it? Okay. So let me give you a brief assessment of you. Test number 71. You are a bit stressed and you are stammering a lot, and the same goes for group discussion as well. Participation थोड़ा late था, power expression अच्छा है, hand gestures थोड़े बहुत हो रहे हैं. You are just hesitating. Do not hesitate. Confidence level कहीं ना कहीं hamper कर रहा है. 74. Eye contact, maintain proper eye contact with the group. Stammering थोड़ा बहुत हो रही है, work on that. In the group discussion, participation was late, it was short and stammering काफ़ी आ रही. Stammering मतलब हकलाना, थोड़ा अटकना. Okay. 75. Power expression was good. Body posture is good, but somewhere हल्का फुल्का आगे पीछे rocking back हो रहा है, for back and fro. उस पर थोड़ा सा work करो. बाकी rest performance was good. 79. Confidence level has improved. Power expression भी पहले से काफ़ी बेहतर है. Eye contact में कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी कमी है. Rest participation is good in the GD. You started to found gap, but कहीं कहीं पे you were interrupting others. थोड़ा सा group dynamics बेहतर करना है. 101. Energy level is good. Power expression is good. Overall performance was good. एंड सेम गोज फॉर ग्रुप डिस्कशन. गुड परफॉर्मेंस. 110. एवरीथिंग वॉज गुड. फ्लुएंसी भी पहले से काफ़ी बेहतर हो गई है. इनिशिएशन लिया था ग्रुप डिस्कशन में. एनर्जी एंड पार्टिसिपेशन वॉज गुड. ओवरऑल गुड परफॉर्मेंस. Energy level is good. Everything was good in narration part, but in group discussion, good energy and good participation. But at some point, you were interrupting others. You and chess number 79. You both were interrupting each other. So focus on that. 130. Everything is good, but in your eye contact, your eye is right dominant. मतलब कि आप right side वालों को ज़्यादा देखते हैं, left वालों को कभी कभार नहीं देखते. एंड दिस ये खास तौर पे आपके नरेशन टाइम में हुआ था. आपने सिर्फ अपने राइट वालों को देखा था. सो फोकस ऑन द राइट आई कॉन्टैक्ट. बाकी एनर्जी लेवल एंड पार्टिसिपेशन वाज गुड एंड एनर्जी लेवल इन्फ्लुएंसिंग एबिलिटी वाज गुड इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन. गुड परफॉर्मेंस. सो दिस वाज द कंप्लीट प्रोसीजर ऑफ एडेप्टेबिलिटी टेस्ट 2. होप यू ऑल हैव गॉट द आइडिया कि वहाँ पे कैसे पूरे तरीके से टेस्ट होगा इन द सेम टाइम बाउंडेशन. ग्रुप डिस्कशन रिलेटिवली काफ़ी स्मॉल होता है बिकॉज आपके नरेशन में उनका आधा असेसमेंट निकल के सामने आ जाता है. ओके, एनी डाउट्स?